trigonometric function in different quadrant. There are four quadrants we study in class 9, 10. These belong to 0 to 90. These belong to 90 to 180. These belong to 180 to 270. And these belong 270 to 360 degree. We know in class 9 sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. But we study only this quadrant in class 9, 10. But in class 11, we know this quadrant also. This is sin 90 degree plus theta. Sin 90 degree plus theta cos theta. But here sign matter. This sign, this all are positive. This sin cosec are positive. This tan cot positive. This cos and sec positive. You can remember by after school to college. After all school, yes, sin cosec. Sin cos positive, all are negative. Tan cot positive, all are negative. Cos or sec positive, all are negative. This become this line. Their sin is positive, so this value cos positive. Sin's value cos 90 degree plus theta sin theta. But this is minus because cos here minus. Tan 90 degree plus theta cot theta. Cot theta is minus. Cot 90 degree plus theta. Cot 90 degree plus theta. Tan theta minus tan theta. Sec 90 degree plus theta. Cosec theta minus cosec theta. Cosec 90 degree plus theta. Sec theta. This is positive, this positive, this positive because sin or cos positive. Sin function, cosec function is positive. Okay. Also you remember that this line change the function, but this line does not change the function. Here can you understand by a story. Two boys, there are Rohan and Sohan. Rohan is sleeping and Sohan is active. Sohan, when anybody sleep, they remain this. When anybody active, they are always working, walking, doing some work. This sleeping people does not change any situation in their life. Only time change, but situation is does not change. This type of man, active man, change their life. So when we see that we come this here 90, this line sin 90 plus, they change the function, but this line never change any function. Look here, sin 180 minus theta sin theta. 180, this line belong. This line never change. 180. Okay, okay. ठीक है. Sine 180 degree minus theta, sine theta. Where we come sine theta, this 180 degree minus theta, here come. We come here, minus sine theta. Cos 180 degree minus theta. Cos is also sine 180 degree minus theta, sine theta. Plus, sine is here come plus, cos 180 degree minus theta minus cos theta. Minus cos theta, tan 180 degree minus theta, tan 180 degree minus theta, tan theta. No change, no change. Tan 180 degree minus tan theta, tan theta is negative. Cot 180 degree minus theta, cot theta minus. Sec 180 degree minus theta is sec theta. Sec theta also minus. Cosec 180 degree minus 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus theta. Cosec theta. No change. Plus, because we come here. This is the area of sine and cosec. Now we sine 180 degree, sine 180 degree plus theta, sine 180 degree plus theta. Where we are sine 180 degree plus theta, 180 degree plus theta, here we come sine theta, no change, this line no change, but here sine is negative. Cos 180 degree plus theta, here cos negative. Tan 180 degree plus theta, tan also here, tan is positive here, it is the area of tan. Cot 180 degree plus theta, cot theta, it is also area of cot theta. Cosec 180 degree plus theta, cosec theta, cosec theta, cosec theta is negative. Sec 180 degree plus theta, sec theta also here negative. We left one thing, that is sine minus sine plus. Oh, completed. Okay, then completed. We 180 plus theta. Now we came this line. This line belong sine 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. Here come sine, this line belong standing line cos theta. Cos theta. Sine here negative. Sine here negative. Cos 270 degree minus theta. Cos 270 degree minus theta, sine theta. Cos here negative. Sine all positive. Sine cosec positive. Tan cot positive. Cos sec positive. Except all are negative. Cos 270 minus theta, sine theta here negative. This area is only tan and cot. Tan 270 degree minus theta, tan 270 degree minus theta, tan 270 degree minus theta, cot theta here positive. Cot 270 degree minus theta, tan theta here positive. Sine cos tan, cosec 270 degree minus theta, sec theta minus negative. Sec 270 degree minus theta is equal to sec 270 minus theta is equal to cosec theta, here negative. Now we goes sine 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, we come 270 plus theta. Here we come 270 plus theta. Vertical line, horizontal vertical line is change the situation. Sin 270 plus theta, cos theta. Cos theta. Here sin negative. Cos 270 plus theta. Sin theta. Here sin negative. Either here cos positive, so sin plus, cos here positive, tan 270 degree plus theta, cot theta here negative, sin cos 10, cosec, cosec 270 plus theta, cosec 270 plus theta, cosec 270 plus theta. Here we make the quadrant, uh, all positive, sin cosec positive, tan cot positive, cos sec positive. Cosec 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta, cosec negative, cosec 270 plus theta, sec theta minus sec theta, sec 270 plus theta, cosec theta minus cosec theta, sec cos and sec plus cosec theta, sin cos 10 cosec sec cot 270 plus theta, tan theta minus tan theta. Cos and sec are positive, others are negative. 270 plus theta is completed. Now we came sin 360 minus theta, 360, this line, horizontal line, 360 minus theta, we come here, 360 minus theta, 360 sin theta, here sin negative, cos 360 minus theta, cos theta, here cos positive, tan 360 minus theta, cos theta, tan theta, here negative, cot 360 minus theta, cot theta here negative, sec 360 minus theta, sec 360 minus theta, sec theta here positive, sin cos 10 cot sec cot 360 degree minus theta, cot theta here negative. Now we make 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta, we come here and here, this we come, all positive, sin 360 plus theta, sin 360 plus theta, this line horizontal line sin theta, but plus, because this come here, we all positive, cos 360 plus theta, cos 360 plus theta, cos theta, tan 360 plus theta, tan theta, cot 360 plus theta, cot theta, sec 360 plus theta, sec theta, no change because we come this line, horizontal line, sin cos 10 cot sec cot 360 plus theta, cot theta. This 90 degree represent pi by 2. Here sin pi by 2 plus theta is equal to sin 90 degree plus theta are equal, sin pi plus theta is equal to sin 180 plus theta. Okay, sin 3 pi by 2 by theta is equal to sin 270 plus theta. और साइन 2 पाई प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन 360 डिग्री प्लस थीटा। साइन पाई बाई 2 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 डिग्री माइनस थीटा। In this way we sin pi minus theta is equal to sin 180 degree minus theta. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin 270 minus theta. In this way we make the all angles. Sin 2 pi minus theta is equal to sin 360 degree minus theta. Then sin 2 pi plus theta is equal to sin theta. 2 pi 360 degree plus theta. It is here also right in this way, or otherwise 360 plus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay. This example, sin 405. So sin 360 plus 45. So sin 45. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2.